So hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new, hello, welcome. Sorry for my wigless appearance, but as you can tell from the title of today's video, we're going to be trying out cheap synthetic lace front wigs from eBay. I've had a couple of comments recently saying that a lot of the wigs that I recommend or kind of promote on my channel are way out of people's price bracket ranges, so I thought it'd be a fun little experiment and series to do on my channel where I literally try out eBay's cheapest lace front wigs. So without further ado, let's dive into this video. I will also try and link all the wigs that I'm going to wear today down below, or at least the seller that sells them, just in case any of you guys are interested or they turn out to be actually really good wigs. I will leave it all in the description box. So the first wig I picked up is this 20-inch black to kind of green ombre lace front wig for only £19. I mean, that is a complete bargain for a lace front wig, and she does have a decent amount of lace to her and it feels quite nice and soft. She also does come with quite a lot of parting space up in the front and 3 internal combs. So you have one on each side of the head and one at the top of the head. There isn't a comb at the back, so I'm gonna deduct a point for that, but for £19 so far, she seems like really good quality. She feels a little plasticky and synthetic-y, but I'm not mad at it for £19 so far. I'm gonna cut the lace and pop her on my head and I'll give you my verdict on her. So this is what wig number 1 looks like on. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I, for one, am not mad at it. For £19, I think this is actually a pretty nice lace front wig. I think she's quite kind of coarse and the hair texture feels kind of dry, so she tangles quite easily, but honestly, for £19, I don't think the quality is really that bad, and I actually really like the lace, since she comes without a pre-plucked part or anything in her, so I think once I've kind of plucked apart and kind of sparsened up the hairline, I think she will look so much better, but so far I would say wig number 1 is a definite thumbs up from me. Okay, so wig number 2 feels a lot more kind of fake and synthetic, and she looks a lot less realistic. Obviously, she is in a bright yellow colour, so do with that what you will. But she is a 24-inch long yellow kind of curly lace front wig, and she was only £21, so again, a complete bargain for a lace front wig. The construction seems to be the exact same as the previous wig, so you get a decent amount of lace, an okay amount of parting space, and you get 3 internal combs and not one at the back of the head. So I'm just going to cut the lace on this one and throw her on my head. So this is what wig number 2 looks like on. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I, for one, am kind of split with this wig. I absolutely love yellow hair, and for £21, I think this is actually not a bad lace front wig, but I do feel the texture and kind of quality of the hair is pretty low, in all honesty. I do think you do get a decent amount of density and kind of wig to the wig, but yeah, maybe once I've steamed her out and restyled her and plucked her hairline, she'll look a lot nicer, but I guess for £21 it's still going to be a thumbs up from me, but just be warned, it does feel a lot more kind of plasticky and look a lot more synthetic, but again, she's yellow, so probably a factor to do with that. On to wig number 3. And then finally we have wig number 3, which is this gorgeous metallic-y kind of a rosy pink. Honestly, this colour spoke to me so much. I've been searching for a wig this colour for ages, and she was only £19. She was actually from that same first seller as the black to green ombre one, and if you bought 2 wigs, you saved 15%, so she was less than £19, so complete bargain. She is this gorgeous 20-inch kind of metallic-y rose kind of with loose curls lace front wig. One thing I would say is the lace almost looks a little bit dark green, so hopefully once I've chopped the lace that isn't too visible, otherwise I'm going to have to run quite a lot of foundation through the lace to make it look more blended. But just like the last wigs, it kind of comes with that same kind of parting space, 2 clips on either side, 1 at the top of the head and none at the back of the neck. But I can forgive it because I love the colour of this wig. So yeah, I'm going to cut the lace of this one and pop her on. And then finally, this is what wig number 3 looks like on. I, for one, am super in love with her, and she's definitely getting a thumbs up from me. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I absolutely love the colour of this wig. I mean, the textures may be a little bit plasticky and coarse, just like the last wigs, but for £19, you really can't go wrong. I do think the lace is maybe a little bit dark and kind of has a weird green tone to it, so I'm gonna have to run some like foundation through the lace of the wig, but it's a pretty easy kind of fix to it, I guess. If you do have a deeper skin tone, I think the lace would probably blend a little bit better, but I'm Casper, so yeah, the lace might need a little bit of work, but the wig itself is actually really pretty, and I'm super impressed for the price tag. Like literally, I would pay a lot more for this wig and still be satisfied with it, so we're on to a winner. That completes my video of trying synthetic lace front wigs from eBay. Honestly, I'm like happy with all three. I would definitely use all three in like some way, shape or form in the future on my channel, but wig number 3 is definitely my favorite out of them. Let me know what your favorite was in the comment section down below. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Also, let me know if you want me to do more of these videos. I bought like 3 or 4 like different wigs for like each rainbow color category, so like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. So let me know if you want me to like film them and showcase them more on my channel, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe to a bitch, and thanks for watching.